What if you could turn a single image into a realistic AI video without paying for a subscription? You can actually test Digen AI for free, and the process is surprisingly simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your first video, write better motion prompts, choose the right settings, and get the best possible result without spending money. First, open Digen AI and click Sign Up. You can create an account using your email or Google account. And Digen currently offers free credits without requiring a credit card. Once you're logged in, open the Create page. Now upload the image you want to animate. For example, I'm using a cinematic image of a person standing in a city at night. Choose your aspect ratio. You can select 9:16 for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, 16:9 for YouTube, or 1:1 for social media. For the free workflow, Digen currently shows Real Motion 3.1 Turbo with a 5-second and 480 EPOV option. Here's where you can make a huge difference. Don't describe the image again. Tell Digen what should move. For example, the character slowly walks toward the camera while their clothes move naturally in the wind. The camera smoothly tracks backward, cinematic lighting, realistic movement, stable background. Keep the action simple. If you ask the AI to make the character run, jump, turn, wave, and dance at the same time, you increase the chance of strange movements. Before generating, check your model, duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Then click Generate. Digen processes the image and creates your short video. If the first result isn't perfect, don't worry. AI video generation is random, so try changing only the motion prompt and generate again. Digen's current free interface shows the generation cost before you create the video. Digen has several free features, but not everything is available for free. For example, Digen's current credit guide lists some free user options such as Effect Model and Act Motion, each with limited daily attempts, while models such as Sora 2 and Cadence 2.0 are not available to free users. So don't expect unlimited access to every premium model. Once you're happy with the result, download your video and use it in your shorts, TikToks, social posts, or larger projects. One important tip. Digen says generated videos are stored for 30 days, so download anything you want to keep permanently. My personal opinion? Digen AI is a great option for beginners who want to experiment with image to video without immediately paying for a subscription. If this tutorial helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI video tutorials.